In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add docs in ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity tool that helps teams and individuals stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate seamlessly. One of its powerful features is the ability to create and manage documents directly within your workspace. Whether you're drafting a project plan, writing meeting notes, or brainstorming ideas, this feature is designed to keep everything in one place. So let's dive in and walk through step by step how you can add docs to your ClickUp workspace effortlessly. First things first, go ahead and open your ClickUp workspace. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the specific project where you'd like to add your document. Navigate through your workspace and find the project you want to work on. When you've spotted it, simply click on the project to open it up. Now that you're inside the project, look toward the top of the project view. Here, you'll see a button labeled View. This button is your gateway to different ways to interact with your project, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you'll want to select the option that says Doc. This will allow you to create a brand new document. At this point, you'll be prompted to give your document a title. Choose something clear and descriptive that truly reflects the content you're about to create. This title is your first step in organizing your thoughts and making your document easily identifiable later on. Once you've entered the title, you're ready to start building your document. ClickUp makes it incredibly easy to create content, and you have a couple of great options here. If you're looking to save time, or you need a bit of inspiration, you can take advantage of ClickUp's integrated AI feature. Just type a request into the document, and the AI will generate content for you. For instance, you could ask it to create an outline based on your project needs, draft some text, or even brainstorm ideas. It's like having a little creative assistant right at your fingertips. If you prefer a more structured approach, don't worry. ClickUp also offers pre-made templates that can jumpstart your document. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a list of templates to choose from. Browse through what's available and select one that fits your needs. Once you click on a template, it will load right into your document, giving you a solid foundation to work from. From this point, it's time to make the document truly yours. Start editing the content by adding your specific details. Adjust the text as necessary, or modify the template to better suit your project's goals and requirements. This is where you can really fine-tune everything to make sure it aligns with your vision. Finally, once you've completed your edits and you're satisfied with how the document looks, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is crucial as it ensures that all your hard work is preserved and remains accessible to your team members. And there you go. That's how you add docs in ClickUp. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can enhance your productivity and keep all your project-related information centralized. If you're new to ClickUp, I highly encourage you to check out the link in the description to create your account and explore all the amazing features this platform has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Your support means a lot, and it helps me to continue creating content that can assist you on your productivity journey. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.